Hazrat Hafs bin Asim has reported from Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "There are 7 people whom Allah the Almighty will keep in His special shed on the day when there will be no shed except for His. A just ruler, a young man who grows up worshipping Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, a man whose heart remain attached to mosques, 2 men who love each other for the sake of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, meet and part from each other only for His sake, the man whom an affluent and beautiful woman seduce, but he says, I fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the man who gives alms so secretly that his left hand does not know what his right hand has spent, and the man who remembers Allah Jalla Jalaluhu in solitude and his eyes get brimmed with tears." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1423.